How to use Notion for habit tracking on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notion application on your iPhone. Notion is an all-in-one workspace for your notes, tasks, etc. Once you're here, tap on the Compose icon in the bottom right to create a new page. On the new page, tap on the More option. This will open up the Templates gallery. Scroll through the options and tap on the Habit Tracker template. A preview of the template will appear. Tap on Use Template in the top right corner to add it to your page. Your new habit tracker is now set up. You can scroll to see daily sections with pre-listed habits like journaling, running, and meditation. To track your habits, simply tap the checkbox next to each activity to mark it as complete for the day. Following these steps, you can easily use the habit tracker template on Notion on an iPhone.